I had a request for an EGR valve, so somebody has taken this top off, so there are 3 bolts for 4 bolts. So the really 4 bolts, so I've taken it all apart, so the really 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So somebody had taken that top off, the electronic part, so so it couldn't really be put back together. So this is my spare one, so I can show how this can be put together once this is unscrewed. But do not really unscrew this at all. I mean, there's nothing really inside that's worth cleaning. I mean, none of the gases go up in the electronic part, this top part here. So basically I've unscrewed it. So there is only a spring at the top, so that's this part really. Let me move this away. So does this springy action, so this goes back. So basically, so you unscrew those, and if you take it apart, so I'll try to do it slowly, there is a spring inside. Okay, so that's what's inside. There is also the spring and the rotating part of the EGR valve. So in order to put back this together, it's not too difficult. So basically you have to take that apart. Really, that's there. So you have to take that apart, put this aside, this doesn't matter for the moment. And then there is a small groove. I'm not too sure if it can be seen. There is a small groove up here, so you can put the spring with the bottom part. My gloves are a bit small, so I can't really point with it. So you can put it in this groove. The bottom part can be put into this groove, the sticking part. So there is one that sticks, so one part that sticks that side and one part that stills up. So this is to be put into that groove. Let me see if this can be seen. Well, like that. I suppose that's visible. So then there is also a groove here. So basically what you do, you put it that way here with this groove, like that. And then what you need to do is rotate it once, so this really goes on top, so there is some sort of a spring action. So you twist really that part up the way it can go. I mean, it's stopped by this, so you can lift it with something in order to go over like that. I mean, it's a bit difficult to show it with 2 hands. So this is on top, so you can still continue rotating it. This goes over, and that's the spring action inside, right? So that's how it should be. So then to put it back, so what you can do is have this one really. So here the points, here the points for the, so here the points for the power. So basically you can put it back in like that, and then you rotate this until it clicks. I think it's kind of leveled until it kind of clicks. I mean, yeah. So this has a small, has to go into the groove. I think this has to be kind of central, otherwise it doesn't really go there. So you can put it like that. Let's see, and then rotate that bit until it clicks, and then that's it. It's really, there is the spring action here. Well, that's it. Don't really take that part off. There is nothing really to be cleaned inside. No. I suppose some gases could probably go inside, but there is nothing really to be cleaned inside. So yeah, if somebody really wants to do that, or there is some sort of if the spring has come off by some chance, or something is dangling inside the electronic part, you can take it apart and then put it back together. And then of course see my video for putting back this. Well, that's it. Hopefully it's useful. Subscribe, and if you have any comments, let me know.